ಇದೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Yes, yes.
May I request my lord to please take page number 16. The complaint and the complainant's address is as follows. Page number 16.
ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ.
ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ರಾಜ್ಪುರ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಶರಣ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ ರಂದಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆ ಬಗೇರಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. On the petitioner.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ? ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ? ಅದು ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಿಂದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್.
Correct, my lord. We have produced before the FRRO.
No.
What produced before the FR? How
That
are you
is-
registering crime against this man?
No, that is the allegation.
When,
that
what
they
is the
beaten.
allegation?
Allegation is beaten.
What is beaten?
Allegation, my lord, is ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lord, may
Sir,
I?
SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ರನ್ನ you are giving them teeth to
We
stay
are
here?
not, my lord, immediately we have
What
produced.
immediately?
No, we have produced before the FRRO.
Look at complaint. Bangladesh Rashtra.
I seen that. my
What,
lord.
sir? How did you even take this complaint?
No, because they said the allegation is
ಯಾವ
beaten.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ. They were ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೂ
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೊಸಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ನಾನು ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 4 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು I'll request my lord to please take the next page number 18, a letter to FRRO by the investigation officer.
One moment.
This is based on my information. The investigation officer writes to FRRO
The counter blast straight away. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
at 11:30 and
Yes.
FIR is registered at 11:45.
11:30ಗೆ
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ
ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು?
ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಹಾ.
ದಿ IO writes to FRRO ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ದಿನಾಂಕ 22/7/2026 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 11:30 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ.
Now I'll request my lord to please take FIR. FIR is at page number 13. Information received at PS is 11:45.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ counter blast they say that I have assaulted her. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ 74, 126, 115, 79.
This is why these illegal immigrants stay on.
Correct.
If the government supports them like this is what will happen.
We are not supporting, my lord.
Then what is this,
No,
sir?
immediately we have placed it, taken them.
Allah,
before the FRRO.
you have communicate, the IO communicates to the FRRO at 11:30 in terms of the SOP they should have been sent out.
No, but FRRO has to take a decision.
Allah,
We can't-
FRRO has to take a decision. Astral crime and entertain ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ 15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, but
Is it not a straight counter blast on these people?
the allegation is that they have also beaten. That is the allegation.
Where is the allegation beaten? IO himself communicates they should be sent. ಒಂದ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Page 17.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ page 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ IO communicate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಸೇಮ್ IO.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ my lord, they say they are staying here from 15 years. ಈ FRO ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ page number 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is one paragraph, third paragraph, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಬಿಲಾಲ್ ತಂದೆ so and so DS Max ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹಡೋ ಸಿದ್ದಾಪುರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಈತನನ್ನು ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದು ಸ್ವಂತ.
I tell you, if the system supports anything like this, illegal immigrants will mushroom.
And
It is dangerous to the system. Security of the nation is at threat.
I understand.
And you register a crime against this man who shows that this is an illegal immigrant staying here. And for what? Counter blast ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? 11:15 FRRO ಬರೀತಾರೆ, 11:45 ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
If they produce and if they make an allegation against them before FRRO, all those things will also have to
ಅಲ್ಲ,
say.
where is it, sir? FRRO ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ? ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. FRRO ಮುಂದೆ IO writes to the FRRO, nothing is said.
So allegation, my lord, is beaten. That is
Sir,
the reason they have registered.
What? ಅದೇನ್ ಮನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ allegation just because that is there, why is it registered? System should not support such things, sir. Very, very bad.
And IO writes.
And IO writes, ಎಲ್ಲಿದು illegal immigrants ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ.
Oh, we are not saying that they are not legal. We are saying
What
they
are you
illegal.
talking, sir? Illegal immigrants having the wherewithal and the system support to fight against the persons of
No,
this state?
We are not.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ. Can anything be better illustration of abuse of the process?
If you have said they are not illegal immigrants, your lordship can say that it is they are not. In fact, we have said they are illegal immigrants. They are staying in this place illegally. We have produced them before FRRO. They have kept in a detention center.
The IO writes to FRRO saying that the complainant respondent is also illegal immigrant.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾರೆ
ಅವರು correct.
No, he writes that he is staying here from
They are not
15
saying they are
years.
not illegal immigrants. That is the reason we have taken them and produced before FRRO instantly.
You should, this SOP ಪ್ರಕಾರ send them out.
The FRRO,
ಇವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ, ಇದೇನು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your Lordship may direct the FRRO also to will.
What? FRRO will direct them to expedite. That's a different thing. But how did you entertain this crime?
You know, what is that?
See, if you, ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ತೋರಿಸಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Where is the time in the FIR? Complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Address Bangladesh.
ಹೌದು.
Complainant address is Bangladesh. La, can there be a better illustration?
I'm not justifying.
What
my lord.
system is this supporting such
I'm
things?
not justifying, my lord. We are saying that we have instantly, the moment we come to know, we have taken action. We have.
What action have you taken? FRR ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರ ಇವರು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಡೆದು?
Serial number 11 my lord, the next matter, I file a complaint at 1:30. FIR is registered at 3:30. May I request my lord to take serial number 11?
ಅವ್ರ
Same,
ಮೇಲೆ
on the same petitioner,
incident.
Different police station.
different police station, they register a complaint. I complain them, page number 19. May I request my lord to please take page number 19. That is a message which I get from ERS, Emergency Response System from the Karnataka Police. That is at 1:39 PM. Now, the FIR at page number 14 is registered at 3:30. They say, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ತೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು FIR ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ another complainant.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Different police station.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್
Same doctor ಮೇಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, they're the different people, man. They are also.
ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್.
affected
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್
Even they are
18.
also being produced before
ಪೇಜ್
FRRO.
ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ತಾವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
ಕೊಡತಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸರ್ಜಾಪುರ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಸ್ವಂತ ವಿಳಾಸ ಜಾಶೋರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ, ಸೌತ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯತೆ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶ.
Here also we have produced it. Both these cases, my lord, we have produced before FRRO. We have taken action immediately. It is not that we have not taken action.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅವರು 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, did you subject them to examination? ಏನೋ ಅವ್ರ wound ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ, they just came and saw the policeman. ಈ ತರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they are acting against the security of the nation. wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. If police act like this in support of an illegal immigrant of Bangladesh against the people of this city, where is the thing, sir?
We are not, there is no question of shielding anybody.
Then what, sir? What is this? This system should stop. Stop appeasing. How long, sir? ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ 15 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ wound ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೀಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
I'll secure the records, my lord, but this is
Secure the records. This is not correct at all. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ,
I request, my lord,
ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಇಮಿಗ್ರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು
ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, my lord, I'm sure.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರ ಸರ್?
I'll verify that.
ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Verify that.
FIR ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
I'll-
11:00 ಇವರು FRO ಪತ್ರ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. 11:45 they register a complaint. And it is on document saying that in 15 minutes have
ಅದೇ assaulted.
assaulted them.
I'll verify that. May I request, my lord, let the FRRO be party.
So
And
that
let
I
me
will do. FRR on party ಮಾಡಿ, we will direct the SOP to be operated and send them out.
that immediately, my lord, because they are
Yes.
written and they're kept in detention center. They are detention center, temporary detention center. And if the FRRO cannot take any action, then we will not be able to deport them. Therefore, my lord, let the FRRO be also be party.
If at all they want to act against illegal immigrants, they could have booked the landowner who has given them rent.
That
they
also
say-
we'll do.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
We will do it.
they
that
say-
also.
That also you don't
We
do.
will do that also.
In FIR they say where they
And I
are
see in
residing.
many places foreigners active. All these people are giving these people on rent for a few rupees more.
My lord,
Entertaining these immigrants who have no visa to stay, no document to stay, only for the purpose that they are giving 1,000 rupees more rent.
And in fact, Commissioner
If
of
greed
Police,
can overtake the security of the nation, what else can be done, sir?
Commissioner of Police has issued a direction for all the police stations and all the the citizens to cooperate with the thing. They are, what to do, my lord, unfortunately.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮುನ್ರಾಜು ಲೇಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕೊಡತಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು
And
ಹಂಗೇನೆ.
till date,
Why action
nothing
is
is
not
registered.
taken against
I'll
them?
verify, we will take action against them.
If you don't take action against such people, this will mushroom.
No, we will take action against them also. There's no question of shielding anybody, my lord. We'll take action against them.
ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Our
ಅದು ಏನು 118ಗೆ ವಾಲಂಟರಿಲಿ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
115. 115.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ 126. This system should not support such things, sir. How did the police station register a complaint? Were you arrested?
I was arrested, sent to custody, then released in serial number 9.
Oh, ಇದು ಐಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕೇಕ್. ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ.
One day I was in custody, then I was released on bail,
Look at it,
and I
sir.
have to go
An
through all this
illegal
process.
immigrant can go to the extent of getting him arrested because he is shown the place where the illegal immigrant stays. Man, what is this? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. What's the department doing?
I'll see, my lord.
Busy with other speeches. First, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗಿರೀಶ್?
Serial number 9, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು? ರೆಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್
11258.
FR ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ
FR.
ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಔಟ್.
Yes.
Yes. The petitioner